Hello everyone. Have you ever thought why does not computer understand human readable language? You might have heard many times computers are always understanding ones and zeros. That means it is not going to understand any other human readable languages like English, Hindi, Malayalam, etc. So what is the reason behind this? In this video, I am going to discuss about this question. But before going into the depth of this question, I want to make you clear about the association of numbers that have in any human life. Suppose if you want to measure the height, if you want to measure your weight, if you want to measure the temperature of your room, if you want to measure the humidity, in what terms you are going to measure all these things? Yes, you are going to use numbers for representing the height, representing the weight, representing the temperature, representing the humidity. Okay, so number system plays an important role in human life. Similarly is the case with the computer system also. As you know, in the early stages of the computers came into humans' life. Why it came? It came only because we wanted computer to do some calculations for us. But it was a major challenge for the computer researchers how to make understand these numbers to the computers. That was a major challenge. And as you know that computer is an electronic device. That means what is it is going to understand? Computer always understand electronic waves. That means transmission of voltages. Today's modern computer systems are using semiconductor technology. And in the CPU you will find millions of tiny components, and these components are known as transistors. These transistors are acting as switches. So high voltage, when the transistor is having high voltage, it is said it is acting as a closed switch. If the transistor is having low voltage, it is acting as an open switch. Okay, so it is very difficult for remembering or understanding high voltage and low voltage. Can we represent these high voltage and low voltage in terms of numbers? Yes, you can. You can use any two numbers for representing high voltage and low voltage. Computer researchers found that you can use 0 and 1 for representing high voltage and low voltage. 0 is used for low voltage and 1 is used for representing high voltage. It is the best choice to use 0 and 1. Okay, so in case of if you look into your desktop screen, if you zoom your desktop screen, you can find that it contains millions of pixels, and each pixel consists of three colors: red, green and blue. All these colors are representing using numbers 0 to 255. If you want to, that means if you want to display any picture on your display screen, what you have to feed to your computer? You have to provide numbers to your computers. Okay, so any digital thing, whatever thing you are going to feed into your computer system, either using keyboard, using hard disk or pen drive or microphone, it is always converted into digital numbers, binary numbers, zeros and ones, and it is happening using compilers. So compiler is a very important term, and it plays a major role in the conversion of high level language into low level language. It is a duty, or it is the function of the compiler to convert the high level language such as English language into low level language such as zeros and ones. That means human readable languages are converted using compilers into machine understandable language, zeros and ones. Okay, so there is an ASCII code system is there. All the symbols are converted into corresponding numbers. There is a ASCII code system, ASCII, ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Okay, so suppose if I want to display Raji on the screen, R-A-J-I. So all these characters R-A-J-I have corresponding ASCII values. R have got 82. The value of R in ASCII is 82. The value of A in ASCII code is 65, and the value of J is 74, and the value of I is 73. So all these characters, all these ASCII codes are converted into binary values, and these binary values are fed into the computer CPU, and CPU processes all these things. And what happens? You will find on your screen as Raji is displayed on the screen. This is how everything is get converted and displayed and we are getting output. So I hope this is clear why computers are using ones and zeros for represent or for understanding, why it is understanding only ones and zeros. In the next videos I will be explaining the number system, number conversion system. Okay, hope this is clear to all of you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment this channel. Thank you so much.